In this video, I'd like to show you how to update the Sync 3 system in Ford vehicles. First, go to the internet browser and type Ford Update Sync 3. The first result should be the Ford UK website with the Ford Sync and Maps update page. Open it. On the page, you will see a field called Enter Your Vehicle VIN. Enter your vehicle's VIN number and then press Check for Update. As we can see, the information appears showing that an update is available. It shows the current sync version installed in our vehicle, as well as the available update. The version numbers are different, which means a newer update can be downloaded. Next, open the Sync Update Available tab. Here we have three update options: Wi-Fi, USB, and book service. We select the USB drive option. On this page, you'll find the instructions for performing the update using a USB drive. The next section also explains how to prepare for the installation in the vehicle. Then click the blue button Download Sync Update. The file will begin downloading to your computer, usually into the Downloads folder. Once the file has downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and find it. It needs to be extracted, so choose Extract or Extract All. After extracting, you should see three files. This is what a correctly unpacked update looks like. Next, plug your USB drive into the computer. Before copying the files, we need to format the USB drive. Make sure the file system is set to exFAT. Once formatted, open the USB drive and copy all the extracted files onto it, directly onto the USB with no subfolders. When the copying process is finished, safely eject the USB drive from your computer and go to the vehicle. During the installation, it's best to keep the engine running to ensure constant power. The update may take several minutes depending on its size. Insert the USB drive into the vehicle's USB port. The screen will show Updating System Software. After the process is completed, you will see Installation Completed. Remove the USB drive and press Close. You can also go into Settings, then General, and About Sync to check the new version that is now installed. The USB drive that you removed from the vehicle should be plugged back into your computer. This step is important because Ford requires you to confirm that the update has been successfully installed. On the update page, press the blue button Browse for Log File, select the appropriate file from the USB drive, and upload it. Once this is done, the Sync 3 update is successfully completed.